Hey guys, I got an old custom bike. I'll start from the top and work my way down. I got Shadow Conspiracy olive colored Barnes and ODI long neck grips. Amazing grips. Demolition PA bars, flat black. Fit DLD stem in purple. Got the Flybikes white headset. The Tierra flat black frame, Flybikes Tierra. Odyssey director forks in rust-proof black. Got the stock peg and G-Sport Gland MK3 front hub guard, and a stock Shadow Sun wheel with an Animal GLH tire. It's 20 by 2.1. I got Odyssey twisted PC pedals in white, two Odyssey twombolt cranks, Shadow crank and bone sprocket in purple. I don't really like it. The Shadow interlock V2 chain in silver. That got the Odyssey Mike Aitkin seat with a stock seat post, integrated seat clamp. It's great. I got the Primo bottom bracket in black, stock peg again. The Odyssey p-lyte path tire. It's pretty slim. With the custom back wheel, I have a Shadow stun wheel in purple and a profile racing hub.